Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to show you what I'm packing in my little bag here. I have leftovers from previous crop. It's a little doily. I'll keep them in there. And there's some stuff I don't take out, like this is to clean my glasses. I'll leave that in there. A few things are garbage. I'll chuck that out. Oh my goodness, that's little Lulu. Look how little he is. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw this out. There's a few little pieces of wood veneer in there, but that's okay. So I'll show you exactly what I'm bringing. So, of course, my ATG gun. Then next to it, I put my Creative Memories photo cutter. I only use that for photos. I bring a mat that I can pierce little holes. I have this rubber thing to take adhesive off stuff. I bring one extra, and I'm going to take it out of the package because it takes too much. But this is just from the dollar store. You know, if there's one little thing that I want to just quickly use that. I'm bringing 5 extra ATG. I am bringing some gloves in case I want to do some kind of mixed media. I'm bringing some hand lotion because when you're all weekend, sometimes it's nice to use hand lotion. I have Aleve because, you know, doing scrapbooking all weekend, sometimes you get a little headache. Some hand sanitizer because of how it is now. And then I got some pencils, and I have a little pocket on the side here. So I put that in there. Pencil, white gel pen, my X-Acto knife, another white gel pen, because sometimes they don't always work. A couple of palette knives, my sponge tool, an eraser, a small ruler, a bone folder, and some like sanding paper of sorts. And I think that's everything that fits there. Then I have my scissors. So I have my big scissors, and then I bring a couple of little scissors. This is to cut like my foam tape and stuff. So I'll put that in there. Then I'm bringing those sticky dots that I was talking about a couple of videos ago, and I'm bringing one stamp set. We'll see. I have some inks, so I'll bring that. Then, because I'm bringing some of my files, I'm bringing my 1.5 inch circle punch, my 1 1/4 circle punch. I'm bringing my 1 inch circle punch. And I'm bringing my 2 inch circle punch, and everything fits in there. I have these pens. They're fountain pens. I love writing with them, and they come in like 7 colors. So I got those on Amazon. They're really great. So I'm going to stick those in there. I usually bring some lip stuff because it gets really dry. I have my mask. Isn't that cute? This is a new one. So I bought 3 of them, but this is brand new. I haven't used it yet. And it comes with filters. I love it. But look at that. It has books and coffees all over it. I wish they had a scrapbooking one, but they only had a book one. So I'm going to bring that because we need that. And that's everything that's in this little bag here. Now, the only thing is there's a zipper underneath right here. And this fits in there. And that's where I put my washi tape. So I brought 15, 16, 17, 18, about 20 washi tapes. And I tried to vary the colors. You know, I have some red, I have some pink, I have black, I have brown, I have yellow, I have blue, and some purple. So I really tried to vary the colors. so that I would have a variety of washi tapes. So that fits right under there. And you zip that up and that's covered. Then I brought some wet glue, some Nouveau just white glue. And then I got some Tombow multi glue. And then I got my Tim Holtz tiny attacher. I saw this, it's some lace, and I'm like, hey, why not? I'll bring some sticky lace. I got some staples for my Tim Holtz little tiny attacher. I'm going to put that in there. And then I got a spritz water bottle in case I do want to make some watercolor things. And then my T-square ruler. So and I like to, there. My container here is nice and packed, and I'm going to have everything I need right in there. And I just set this on my table. There's quite a few things I take right out, and then, you know, can use the rest of it right in the basket. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to bring my other container and show you what I have in there. Okay, so my next container this is what I was telling you about. It's a photo and media box from Rubbermaid. It says you can put DVDs, VHS tape, CDs, greeting cards, photos, and it comes like this. And I don't think it gives a size. Yes, it is 1.52 feet by 9 by 6.75 inches. Whatever that means. So it's 1.5 feet by 9 inches by 6.75. And you can tell I paid $3.45 for this. So, and I bought this like years ago and I have used it so much. So I bring all my cases from Tim Holtz. So I have 5 of them. So I bring all 5 of those. And then I get, 60 different inks that I bring along with me. I usually bring my art crayons from Vicky Bouton. So then I stick those right there. Then I bring a whole bunch of different media stuff, like inks and stuff. Not inks. Mist and these distress stains. I got peeled paint. I have ground espresso, faded jeans, evergreen bow, cracked pistachio, and worn lipstick. So I have, quite a bit of colors kind of covered here. And then I do the mist. So I have colorings, Well Blew Me Down. I have the Distress Spray Stain Fossilized Amber. I have Don't Be Swayed by Colorings. I have Blush by Heidi Swapp. I have Sponge Sugar, Distress Spray Stain, Dried Marigold from Heidi Swapp. I got Black Velvet, Navy. Is there another Heidi Swapp there? Nope. Distress Stains. I have Faded Jeans, yeah. Wilted Violet, Lucky Clover. And then from Lindy Stamp Gang, I have T-Bird Turquoise. I have Oh Say Can You See by O Colorings. And then I have my white Mr. Huey, because I use those quite a bit. And then I bring watercolors. And the reason I bring watercolors is if I can't find the right color for this to make mist, I just wet one of these with a paintbrush and water, and I can make my mist with these. So I have Decadent Pies, and I can also do, mixed media stuff. And then Decadent Pies, Tropical, and then I have the classics, like that. I bring some foam tape and then some score tape. So I have those 2 there. I'm bringing some stick pins so that in case my wet glue sticks or is clogged, I can use that. This is to go on my tripod so I can film while I'm there. I'm bringing this little container here so that I can put my leftover embellishments. Once I finish a page, I can put this on my desk and I can throw everything in there. It fits. So I was like, well, I'm just going to bring it. And I can never have too much lip stuff. So bringing some lip stuff. And I still have room in here. I don't know. And here's some more. I don't know if I'm going to add some more stuff. I'm still kind of going around seeing, you know, oh, what else can I bring? So, but for right now, I think it's pretty much all filled up. So this is contained and I still have room in there. So now I'm going to pause and I'm going to show you my last bag that I'm bringing. Or I have 2 more bags, I guess. Okay, so the first thing is I got this bag. Well, this one is from Walmart, but I think pretty much all grocery store have them. And they just open up like that. And they're not sturdy, but they're a nice big opening. And guess what fits in there perfectly? So as I'm scrapping, my page kits are going to sit perfectly like this. I can have this on the floor. It doesn't need to be on the table. And then I just grab the next page kit. And by the way, I got 30 page kits. I did 26 with you guys. And then I just took 4 from my stash that I had here in my room. So then because I wanted to have 30. Now I'm going to show you my next bag. One thing I forgot to mention is in this bag, I'm just bringing just a few templates for mixed media. I'm just sticking that with the page kits. Okay, so the next bag I bring is just this bag that I bought. I think it was Winners. Anyway, it was $1.49. And I just left the price tag on it. I've had it for years. But look how big. I don't even know if you'll be able to tell. But it's basically like a shopping bag, like to go shopping. And I put the rest of my stuff in there. I don't want to have, you know, big stuff with me. I don't even know if I can show you that. So I bring some watercolor paper. I bring my mat that I cut stuff on. I bring this where I can punch, use my piercer on. I have some thickers. And of course, I want to bring this. I want to bring my tray where I'm going to put all my my files. But I think I'm going to put my files in first. And I decided I'm not bringing all of them. I don't know how well this is going to film, but I'm just bringing all the assorted files. So Cozy Cafe, apples and oranges, seasoned spices, you know, those ones there. And then I made a file with all the tiny letters. So I just brought all the tiny letters instead of bringing all the files. So next to that, I'm going to put the alphas. I want to bring some of my flares, my paintbrushes. I have a nice little bag for them. This book here, I always bring that to Crops. It's Top Titles and Tips too. I've had that for years and years, probably 20 years. So I bring that too. It helps with titles. Just some thread, some clear gesso. I'm going to stick that to the bottom. And then some wipes. And then I bring this because I attach this to my table. I can put my drink there so it doesn't spill, and it has a little garbage can. I don't think you can get these anymore, but I bought this like years ago. And then, of course, my wood veneer. I said I bring my wood veneer in this. And I've had a few questions about where did I get those little containers. I got those at Michael's. And then I'm going to take this and just stick it over top like that. And that's it. That's everything that's in this bag. And that's everything. I'm bringing my tripod and my trimmer. I kept my box for my trimmer. So I kept my box for my trimmer, so that way when I go to crops, I just stick it in there, and then it's nice and safe. And I just keep the box in the basement until I need it. And so that's it. That's everything I'm bringing. I'm not bringing anything else. So, and if it wouldn't be for the fact that I wanted to bring my files, I wouldn't need that, the one from Walmart where I'm putting all my page kits. Usually that's flat and my page kits are in that bigger bag. But because I want to bring my files this time, I'm bringing that extra one, and I'm putting my page kits in it right away. Usually I wait till I get at the crop and then I open it up and put my page kits in it. But that's it. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, well, this is a trimmer. So really 4 little, I have my tool bag. I have 2 bags with, one with page kits, one with all different stuff. And then I have that one container with my inks and all that stuff. So that's it. That's everything that I bring at a crop. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.